Good morning everyone. Today's assembly is about Mother's Day. This year Mother's Day is on Sunday the 14th of March. Why do we celebrate Mother's Day? Mother's Day is about honouring the mother in your life. Mothering Sunday is a time when children let their mothers know that they love them and are grateful for all that they do. Children often show this by giving their mum a gift and a card. Mother's Day facts. It is also known as Mothering Sunday. Mother's Day is always on a Sunday. Mother's Day dates back to ancient Greece. In the UK and Ireland, Mothering Sunday is celebrated on the fourth Sunday of Lent. Mother's Day is the biggest flower buying day of the year in Britain. What kind of things does your mum do for you? She cares for you, teaches you, cooks and cleans. If you wanted to buy your mum a present, here are some ideas of things you could buy her. Flowers, perfume, candles, chocolates, a mug, a card. Or even better, you could do something nice for your mum. You could make a cake, you could give her a hug, do the washing up, or make her breakfast. So happy Mother's Day to mums everywhere, and I hope you all have a lovely day. So celebrate the important women in your life. Have a good Mother's Day everybody, and I'd just like to say a big thank you to Dinham for assisting with this assembly. Thanks for watching. Bye.